I am Tharsika and this is Manasha Aarthi. Today we will be presenting about how VFX Studio use rendering farms and manage IT infrastructure effectively. VFX is crucial for movies and animation, but behind every great visual is powerful computing. That's where our rendering farms comes in. In this presentation, we will explore about data handling, storage, backup, and deployment in such environment. One of the most in-house VFX rendering farms in the world is Vita VF in New Zealand. The studio began Avatar and Avengers. Veta use tools like ThinkPok Techline for render management and RenderMan and their own Manika engine for rendering and 3D tools like Maya and Houdini for animation work. VFX rendering involves huge amount of data. It starts with the input like 3D models and get processed with the settings and stimulations, and finally the output image, sequence and logs. For the proper categorization, we group data as input like text size and models and output like frames and logs. Helps the pipeline stay organized and smooth.
Information Lifecycle Management VFX manages data through these stages. Creation and processing constitutes hot data, storage constitutes warm data, and archival and disposal constitutes cold data. As far as creation, artists upload assets for processing, render nodes process frames, files are saved to NAS or SAN, completed renders are moved to cloud, and temporary files are cleaned automatically. Tiered storage solution. They use three-level storage setup. For tier 1, SSD for fast input-output access during rendering. For tier 2, NAS or SAN for team collaboration and shared access. Tier 3, cloud for long-term backup and disaster recovery. This setup offers the best mix of performance, collaboration and cost effectiveness. Application architecture. VFX infrastructure includes render nodes with high CPU and GPU power, thick-box deadline for job scheduling, NAS or SAN servers for storage, high-speed LAN for data transfer, cloud API for scaling when needed. They follow a hybrid model, on-premise for daily rendering and cloud for heavy peak loads. Disaster Recovery Strategy. VFX has a robust disaster recovery system. RPO 15 minutes, RTO 1 hour. Backups are done through SSD, snapshot, type backup, and cloud storage. They follow a schedule of daily incremental and weekly full backups. The business continuity process ensures that VFX rendering operations continue smoothly during failures by using redundant systems, backup power, cloud-based failover, and regular disaster recovery drills to avoid downtime and maintain reliability. A hybrid VFX rendering farm ensures scalable, efficient, and reliable visual production.